Hello, my name is Ryan Mermel from CIMCO Software, and in today's tech tip video, we will be reviewing how CIMCO MDM can help you manage your manufacturing related documents, such as a CAD and CAM file, tool list, setup sheets, and more. Let's take a look. CIMCO MDM is a central source for all manufacturing documents and gets them in the hands of the appropriate users effectively and efficiently, knowing that they are always running the latest version and revision of a file. We close the loop as we seamlessly integrate with our DNC Max module for easy file transfers to any serial or Ethernet-based machine. To begin, we can open up CIMCO MDM and log in. Each user that is set up in the system will have a fully customizable permissions to ensure correct user access to a file and which levels can be viewed. For example, an operator may only be able to view the G-code file, tool lists and setup sheets, and view permissions of a file. Whereas the programmer can view the CAD/CAM files along with add and modify or delete files in the tree. In addition, all activity within the database is tracked and logged so you can easily see when a file was sent to the machine last, who edited the file, and write messages or notes regarding the program. Once logged in, we can then use the left-hand search bar to find our correct program. From there, we can expand out the tree and see all parts of the documents that are related to this part number. We can then also loop in our DNC Max to facilitate a file transfer to the machine itself, along with using our import queue to find if any changes were made to the part on the machine. We can do this by comparing against the imported version. From there, we can determine if we'd like to accept or reject those changes that were made on the machine itself. For new parts, we'll start by building the level structure in CIMCO MDM. We can start by adding in a part number, followed by revision, and then link our CAD file. From here, we can then right-click and open that CAD file directly within Mastercam using our integration tools. Once in Mastercam, we can then start the programming process. Now that we have programmed our part, our Mastercam integration tools allow us to generate live tool lists, operation lists, and setup sheets. If the Mastercam file ever changed, these will automatically be updated, ensuring the most up-to-date information at all times. We can then start by posting out our G-code, saving our Mastercam file and checking it back in, along with exchanging our tooling information with CIMCO MDM. You can see in my tree that now I have a full structure built out, including my CAM file, my CAD file, and all the associated documents related to the manufacturing process. For questions or more information regarding CIMCO MDM, contact Prototech or your CIMCO reseller today. Thanks for watching.